too. I may not have a lot to give, but what I got I'll give to you. I don't care too much money. Money can't buy me love, can't buy me love. Everybody tells me so, can't buy me love. No, no, no.
Nagsishooting.
Say you don't need no diamond rings, and I'll be satisfied. Tell me that you want the kind of things the money just can't buy. And I don't care too much money. Money can't buy me love.
Mamaya pa ang role ko eh. Ako kasi yung sasampalin.
Buy me love.
May screen kasi ako dito kaya may harang-harang. Eh ayoko naman ma-obvious na binibidyohan ko. Baka ako sawayin. So bali dito nakatira si si Donnie. Wala dito si Bell kasi mukhang role na mayaman. So ito common lang na common lang siyang tao. Ayan. Ito yung ibang tao dyan. Diyan sila ngayon. Yan ang bahay nila. Tumahimik ah. Simple-simple eksena lang pero ang daming trabaho. Kaya hindi ako nag-artista eh. Bukod sa wala yata ang balak mag-produce para isali ako. Pero siguro dito mamaya sali ako.